Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ahmed here, and in today's episode, we're gonna be doing and trying to get a Meow victory. Now, I'm pretty good at this game. Not like very good, but I am good. So, it might be easy. So, I'm gonna try to get 10 wins in this episode. And let's jump right into it. Yay. Wait, okay. I'm gonna fix this. Wait. That does not count. That does not count. Wait. I was just fixing something. Okay, now. It was too loud. There. Now some things might happen funny. My name is Jeff. You're coming. What the? He didn't move? Okay, you saw nothing, guys. You saw nothing, okay? Okay, now I'm playing without sound. So, yeah. Okay. Oh, lag. Oh, you got that? Damn, son. He got that, Keely. What? That guy went flying. I'm sorry if I'm not speaking that much. Oh, lucky. Nah, you're dying. You're dying, brother. Oh, this is a rocket? Nope. Oh, okay. I'll come back. We're back. We are back. Whew. I just have wondered, how do they regenerate that fast? The booster. Oh, so sorry for the screen. Yoinking the kills. No! Come on. Okay, I'm gonna fix the screen real quick. Just give me a minute. Okay. Sorry if I'm making a lot of sound. Okay. Okay. Damn it. Okay. We're back from the freezing. Maybe try to get 5 so make this video shorter. Whee! I don't know how I stood on that thing. We got some big boys. Nah. Oh my god. Nah, bruh. Nah. Double kill. If I'm correct. Nope. Don't boost on me. Nope. Yoink to kill. Sorry, buddy. But you had to go. 5 killed up. I think this is the third up. Or second, one of these two. How is this guy so big? I just realized. Nope. Nah, bruh. Could have yoinked that. Nope. Nope. Ah, I'm gonna leave him. I'm gonna leave him. Come here, boy. Yeah, boy. Get him. Ah, that's funny. Okay. Ah. Ooh. Ah. That guy almost clutched it. Oh, come on. They just like bring on a fight, and when you fight them from back, they're like, nope. Meow. I think I should save my booster till this guy gets on the edge. This is my chance. This is my chance. My chance. Oh, come on. I didn't even move. Like a brother. Oh, come on. Yay. Yay. This guy is AFK. This guy is AFK. Nope, he's back. Whoa. Ah! Stop killing each other. I want them kills. Oh my god. You're paying. You're paying for the kill. Nope. Yoink. Oh, I'm gonna troll this kid. Look at this dude.
In a world where data goes everywhere.
Oh my god. Okay, one more dub, and that's the video. Somehow I didn't get him. Somehow. Oh, these guys are teaming up. The same thing, the same flag. Same meow. Look at this dude. This is the round. I can feel it, maybe. What I hate about the ball, if you hit them sideways, they just don't fall off. Sometimes they fall. But most of them times, no. Yes, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, you dead. You there, bro. You there, bro. You there, bro. You there, bro. Let's go. I hope you enjoyed the episode, guys, and I'll see you next time.